So our first lesson is going to be on volumes of cylinder. This is chapter 8.1 from our books, and I have some assignments on big ideas for you to work on as well. I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you. So there are two parts to finding the volume of a cylinder, and the first part is this pi multiplied by radius squared, and that is coming from our base, and the base is this bottom part over here, which even though I didn't draw it perfectly, it's meant to be a circle. So if we're going to find the area of a circle, the area is the radius multiplied by itself, so the radius squared, and then multiplied by pi. And our radius is the center of the circle, how far it is from the center to the outside of the circle. So this will be r, or our radius. And the second part being our height. The height of the cylinder. And the height is from the top all the way to the bottom. That will be our height. Or our h. So the volume has three parts to it. So our answer, whatever that's going to be in our units, is going to be squared. And I'll show you what I mean when I do this example on here. So we're going to go ahead and do an example from the book where our radius, r, is equal to 3 meters. And our height is going to be equal to 6 meters. And we want to see what our volume is going to be based on this. So it's just going to be a lot of just plugging in the values. So we'll have our volume equals pi multiplied by our radius, 3. And our radius, it's not just r, it's r squared. So we're going to write that on there. And multiplied by the height of 6. So when we're looking at this equation right up here, we need to make sure that we multiply everything out. So our 3 squared is not 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3, twice multiplied by itself twice, which is 9, and 9 times 6 is 54. So we have the volume equals 54 pi meters cubed, or approximately, since if we multiply anything by pi, we know that's an irrational number. So even though 54 pi meters cubed is the exact answer, our approximate answer, or a value that we can actually have physically, because we have to round it, is going to be 169.6 meters cubed. And this right here, 169.6 meters cubed, is the final answer.